Resistance. Resistance is the quality of a substance that doesn't really allow much motion. It does, however, convert electrical energy to other forms of energy, such as heat and light. Materials can be divided into two groupings when talking about resistance: conductors and insulators. Conductors are materials with very low resistance. Energy such as heat, light, and electricity pass through them easily and thus barely producing any charge. Some of these materials include silver, copper, and graphite, and conductors are usually of metallic properties. It's like when you have a hot bowl of soup, and when you put your metal spoon inside, it becomes hot too. So the heat would go into the spoon and then come out very easily. Insulators, however, are the exact opposite. They prevent or disrupt the passage of heat, light, or energy, and they may include Teflon, plastic, porcelain, and glass. It's like a tungsten wire filament, which should be this part here. Because of the wire's high resistance, the electrical energy that runs through it becomes heat and light. So basically, it's this plus this equals this. Some resistors don't convert energy. These are usually used in electronical devices where they control currents. So you'd usually find these in TVs, cell phones, and computers. Resistance can be calculated with V over I, and V being voltage or potential difference, and I being the current. When you have the answer, it's in units of volts per ampere or ohms, and they are expressed in these symbols, V over A and that Greek letter. Okay, so if we have a voltage of 120 and a current of 12, you just have to divide it and you get your resistance. So this would be 10. So you have 10 ohms or 10 volts per ampere. In closing, all things have resistance. Some materials have higher resistivity than others, meanwhile some convert energy. It's the measure of how difficult things can pass through an object, and is part of our daily lives.